how do we in Pennsylvania, under our law, define separation? Well, different lawyers may have different views of what separation really means. For me and my practice, it means living under completely separate roofs. Now, that could mean being in different apartments in an apartment building, but it doesn't mean separate bedrooms. There are plenty of people who have separate bedrooms who will tell you they have a great marriage. So for me, that's not separation. There have been cases in court where a lawyer will go in and present the situation to the judge, and he will explain, Your Honor, these people haven't shared any facility within their home for the last year or more. That means coming in different doors, not being on the same floor together at the same time. It's difficult to do, and more importantly, it's expensive to do. So unless you are really living in different places and continuously, that means not going back and spending weekends or weeks or months together. You have to have 1 year of complete living under different roofs to qualify for separation, at least in my practice. Moreover, if you are not separated all that time and you file your divorce and it goes through and you remarry, your spouse remarries, someone could make a claim saying, we really didn't tell the truth about being separated. So it's not worth saying you're separated more than a year if you're really not, just to speed up your divorce. So now we talk about legal separations from time to time. Well, in Pennsylvania, you can live together, you can live apart, you can be married or separated from one another while you're doing this, and it's all legal. Whether you're married or not, living together under the same roof or not, it's all legal. There's no illegal separation, and we don't really recognize legal separations. People do get separation agreements, but that's just a contract that they choose to abide to. You can't really force someone out of your house if you want to be separated unless there's physical abuse or the threat of physical abuse. So the best way to look at it is if you're not sure you've been separated for a year, just do a no-fault divorce that has a 90-day waiting period, and you'll be perfectly safe. Your divorce will be valid. That's the best way to look at it, and the best way to consider yourself legally separated or not separated.